Good day today, students. So we'll be looking at construction of angles 90 and 45. So let's just dive in straight away. So you start with drawing a straight horizontal line. You can actually do that using your ruler, okay? But in this case, I will be using my B line. We call it B line. You can see that it's very straight. Then after that, the next thing for you to do is to actually bisect this line. You can do that in different ways, okay? But I'm going to show you two different ways. The first way is this. I'll get my let me get my compass. Okay, so right here I have my compass. Okay, so as it is, this line is I don't know the length of this line, and I don't really want to know because I don't really need to know. So the next thing I'll do is that I'm going to draw a semicircle on this line. And we all know that the angles in a semicircle is what, 180 degrees. So I'm going to have my semicircle drawn. Let me do this. Okay. Good, fine. Now I have my semicircle drawn. And we know that the angles in the semicircle is 180 degrees. So what I have here is 180 degrees. So for me to find my angle 90 degree, what I'm going to do now is that I will just bisect this. I will have to divide this angle 180 degree into two. How do I do that? I can decide to extend this. Let me just do this. I can extend it to my own satisfaction. I will put it at this side, at that edge over there, and I will make my first arc at the top here. Let's say I'm making an arc here. I hope this will be okay enough. Then I'll put it here also. Let me set it, and I'm going to make another arc. Yes, okay, fine. So as it is, I've made two arcs that bisected. Okay, now one thing I'm supposed to do here is that I'm supposed to put this at the center. I'm supposed to draw it to the center. So on your own case, when you are done with drawing your 180, you should actually know where you have your center. Okay, that point where you place the protractor to make this arc, to make this 180 degree, you need to know that point. Okay, but in my own case, I don't really have a much problem. I couldn't identify it here, but I have a device that will help me here. This tool will help me. From this point of intersection, I'm going to draw a straight line. I'm going to draw a straight line. Yes. Okay. But in your own case, for you to be guided, you have to join it from the point of intersection. From this point here, you have to join this point here to the center of your 180 degree, or the center of the semicircle. Okay, now let's check maybe we are right or wrong. As it is, this should give us 90 degree. So let me get my tool, let me get my protractor, and like I used to say, I think Oxford and Universe protractor, and we have angle 90 degree. So what this is saying is that over here, what we have here is 90 degrees, and at the other side here too, we have our 90 degrees. Okay, so now that's how to walk through your angle 90 degree. Now we are done with the angle 90 degree. Let's quickly go into 45 degrees. Okay, so I have 90 at the right, another 90 at the left. So now for the angle 45, this is very simple. For me to know my angle 45 degree, I just have to bisect my angle 90 degrees into two. Like we bisected angle 180 to get angle 90. So now you have to bisect angle 90 to get 45. And can you remember how we did that? Can you remember? Yes. You can pause the video and try and think. So I'll just get my compass, and again, how do I bisect? I will put it at this edge. I have to put my compass at this point. I will make an arc. I'll put it at this point too. I will make another arc, and I make sure that the two arc actually You know, like I put it at this point here, I'll make an arc around here, put it at around here, make another arc around here, and then where the two arcs intersect, I'll draw a straight line straight to the center here. So let's quickly do that. So let's get back our compass. Actually, this one should have been the best bet we have. Wow, and yeah, we are there. This is 45. Perfect. Yes. So we have our 45. Wow. Do is that we have some issue with this over there. So bodies have to do a 45. So now we are done with the 90. So over here, I can just say over here I have my 90 and I have my 45. Let's quickly just type that in. So let me just type 45 here. 45. Yes. 45, and over here I have 90. So that's the 45 and that's 90. This is 90 here, and over here we have 45. Okay. Now also I can just do copy and paste for this, because around here we also have another 45. Okay, we have 45, and the other side we have 90, meaning that we have 245 and we have 190, and that's perfect. Okay, so that's how to do construct angle 45 and angle 90 degree. So let's check some other angles on the next video. Have a nice day, everybody.
I believe the knowledge is power to unlock inner potentials.